sad story about my lost IPSY packages. IPSY, I hope you can forgive me because I don't know what happened. So in the middle of November, I moved from Tennessee State to Washington, D.C. and I changed all my addresses like a good girl. And as an IPSY creator, I had an access to the platform when I was receiving all the IPSY goodies as a PR. And I went to that platform, I changed an address, and nothing happened. I've seen all my packages were delivered still back in Tennessee. And I had to ask my manager from the previous apartment to send me all these boxes with PRs to my new address. However, I did receive my November IPSY and my January IPSY. But the December one, like the Christmas edition one, got lost because they delivered it straight to the door, and I believe new residents just took it without giving it back to the manager. Not nice of you guys. Yeah, my February one got stuck in a facility, and the only people who could have an access to it was IPSY team. However, they told me they don't have an access to it, so I just have to forget about the February box as well. And the March ones was stuck at the same facility, and when I reached out to the IPSY team again, they told me that they will resend me the March one, so I'm still waiting on that one. And here I only have November and January edition of IPSY that I still haven't unpacked because I was just very traumatized about all this, USPS delivery and shipping and everything, addresses changes. So I was really my heart was really broken and I couldn't even open these boxes yet. But today is the day. Let's open that boxes. Let me see what's the best about it. I'll do a couple short reels as well to show you the close-up look of products. And let's just wait until the March ones has arrived and we'll do the full video just for the March IPSY. I'm gonna start with the glam bag here, which is 5 deluxe products for $14. It looks so cute. Look at the sparkles. And just a little spoiler, it always has one full-size products there and a couple small ones. So I already see that palette, which is, we are all lucky chicks here if we're watching this video. She is cute. Look at this shades, beautiful. Oriza Beauty Sun-Kissed Baked Highlighter. Look at this shine. Aciology Berry Glaze Overnight Lip Mask. Radiance Glow and Protect Serum. Look at this packaging. So cute. I am in search of a new eye cream, so let's try this brand. So this is our cute glam bag, and if you're new to IPSY, you should definitely start with this little cutie so you can test out some products, or if you like samplers, you don't like to go with a big full sizes, this is definitely a must-have for you because it's good for travels, for 1 month of use for sure, and then get another little one to try another products or decide if you want to go with a full size. So you always have an options with this guy here, and this is just highly recommended glam bag. Then we got BoxyCharm, and here we have 5 full-size products for only $30 a month, guys. $30. Unbelievable. Why? Because it's IPSY. And the first guy I see, that's why this box is so heavy, because we have Drunk Elephant full size mega moisturizing mask. We girls love hydration. I think this mask itself was like $30 at Sephora. Destino eyeshadow palette. Look at these shades. Look at this packaging. So you have to locked. These shades are amazing. You see that? Wow, I'm so excited. La Palette Beauty, and it's hydrating serum. So before you start your subscription for IPSY, they require you to go to the quiz, so that way they will know what products you're looking for, brands, and what is your skin tone, what is your skin type, and what is your preferences are about the makeup. And look at this serum, guys. It reminds me of those lava lamps. Lash Play Duo Mascara by Girl Lactic. The brush itself looked really good. I'll give it a try and I'll tell you how is it. This retractable lip liner and brush. by Lovecraft Beauty. Here's the brush. Here's the lip liner. Beautiful matte pink color. I really like the design of this brand. So that was our BoxyCharm 5 full-size products. I think it was great selection. I will definitely use all of it. I was so excited about this one. So this is the Icon box. It's an upgrade to your membership. It only comes 1 in 3 months, and it's the celebrities and icons' favorite products here, which you pick in 3 out of those, and the 5s are IPSY selection. It's only for $60 upgrade, once in 3 months. Great deal. I would definitely go for it. Let me just show you how big and nice it is. Let's go. When it comes to the beauty, I'm getting too excited. Aciology here with Glow Berry Mask. Cleans and tones skin. That's exactly what we need. Just like I said, after your quiz, IPSY knows what type of skin you are. So I got this Tasha full size, the rice wash. No way. This is my favorite cleanser in the whole world. And it's about $30 for cleanser itself. Maybe it's more now, I don't know. So we have Perfect Wings eyeliner stem with a flat tip eyeliner pen. That's how it looks like. So you don't have to like worry about, the perfect wings anymore, because there's a one for the left and right eye. Bum, and it's ready. Such a great idea. And you still get in 2 liners. The next one is Avant or Avant. So protective mandelic acid, dew of the gods, the theory, retinol, oatmeal, hyaluronic cream blend, peony tea glow oil. Gently smell those peonies. You already know this packaging. Yes. Mercier caviar stick eye color on a shade Wild Rose. And one more BoxyCharm with 5 full-size products again. And I just now found out from the IPSY newspapers that they do Mega Drop Shop every January, April, July, and October. So April is coming, where on the IPSY shop, you can buy individual products there. It's going to be up to 80% off on the products. So stay tuned. Next month we have Sephora sale event, right? And we have big IPSY sale event too. So don't miss it. Get your budget ready, because I'm getting mine ready for sure. So at this box, we got Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen. Yay, I really needed sunscreen. Paradox Volume Blow Dry Spray Instant Root Lift and Mega Volume. Wow, this is something new. A blow dry spray. Extra large radial mascara. Bow. Ooh, she's cute. Contacts Dual Lip Pencil. I love lip pencils. I just love them. Beautiful shades. Wow, I love it. And we have another Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color on the shade Forbidden Rose. Yes, I'm literally hugging these boxes, because this is the best thing every girl is dreaming about and wants to open every day and explore every day. Thank you so much, IPSY, for forgiving me for all my issues with the shipping and with addresses changes. I feel really bad about all these issues been happening lately, but thankfully the addresses changed. All the other IPSY boxes are going to be coming in the normal time at the beginning of the month, so you'll be able to see all the content I post on my reels on Instagram. So please follow me there, as well as subscribe me here. And yeah, let me know how you like this video. Let me know if you had a chance to try any of these products, and let me know if you're already a member of IPSY. If not, there's a description under this video, so you're more than welcome to subscribe and be a part of our beautiful makeup skincare journey with IPSY and with me, Elena. So thank you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.